This Canva hack has generated over 1 million views. In this video I show you step by step how I did it so you can recreate it yourself. If you want more of this, give the video a like and subscribe our channel. Okay, let's go. The first step is to change the color. I want to make a gradient here and select the first color in this green and the second color in orange. Now I go to elements, right here orange juice spiral splash, and search it. And now I am selecting this one, make it a little bit smaller and position it in the middle. Now I go to uploads and search here for juice. Add this photo, remove the background, make it a little bit bigger and position it in the center like this. Now I go to the text, add the text, right here pineapple, because it's a pineapple juice, and position it also in the center but a little bit higher. Now I am changing the font into this one here and make the letter spacing to 420, so it is better integrated into the design. Now I am changing the color into white and position it a little bit higher. To round off the design a bit, I am adding a few pineapples and positioning them in random places. I place this one down in the bottom left, then I'll duplicate it and making sure to rotate it inwards and set the correct size. If you want to move it to other places, you can also do it. I am selecting this one. Now we are duplicating the pages. Go to page 1, make the juice and the splash a little bit smaller. Now we are selecting the all pineapples. I pull them all smaller with a single move and hide them behind the juice. Now we go to layer and click here send backward so we can't see it anymore. Now I move the text here in the middle, and now comes the important point to add a transition. Please select here match and move and increase the duration to 1. And now we are finished. This is the animation. I hope you enjoyed this Canva hack. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. See you in the next video.